false ego is basically the pivot point between liberation and bondage. Because it's all about identity. It's like we say in business, they say establish your mission statement. What is your mission statement? You make a mission statement. What is the purpose of your institution or your business? So life has a mission statement. What is the mission of our life or purpose of our life? So identity is crucial. Once you fix your identity, then everything else expands from that. I am this, and then once this is a steel company. I have built a steel company. So once you establish, yes, I built a steel company. So what does it do? It makes steel. Or I have a dentist office. So what do? Well, you do dentistry. All right, it's not a subji shop. So once we establishing identity, so this is what ego is. Ego is where the identity is established, falsely or correctly. If it's correct, then we're liberated. If it's incorrect, we're bound. So this is it's called Krishna consciousness, material consciousness or Krishna consciousness. So now, since we did mention that Shiva is the greatest Vaishnava, there are a couple little points about that.